Today Mum is cooking my delicious sweet and spicy chicken. For this, she uses chicken breast. She chops the breasts into small pieces. She mixes 1 cup of corn flour with the chopped breast pieces. She then adds 1 cup of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, salt to taste. She mixes it well. She then adds 1 egg. She covers it with cling film and leaves it in the fridge to marinate for 30 minutes. She then fries the chicken in sunflower oil until the chicken becomes golden and crispy. She then uses half a cup of sunflower oil in a wok and adds ginger and garlic. Chopped green chilies and teaspoon of salt. Tomato sauce. Tablespoon of soya sauce. Half a cup of water. Half a cup of honey. She then adds the fried chicken breasts and stirs until they get covered by the mixture. She then takes the chicken out of the wok and adds some sesame seed. Then the chicken is ready to eat.
Have you seen Mum's Kitchen?
Yeah, I have. I really love the channel. Us chickens have been on it a few times.
Make sure you tell everyone to like, share and subscribe.